It's really windy today, but let's see what we can do. The colors, man. Definitely there's... Whoa! That's Sarasa size. Not looking good. Should be like a 90s right here. Oh, that's not good. Alright. Oh no. Oh. Was that a failsafe? I think it was. Oh, that's not cool. See? Is it the orientation of the antenna? Because it's... The turn of yours is 90. No. No. I'm kind of tweaking where my 10 dB antenna is pointing at. It shouldn't be this low. Nope, nope. Oof. Fail safe again. What do you mean a little better? Be the battery, it's a little bit bulgy. Doesn't last that long. It's kind of gloomy, windy for sure. 12 miles an hour. It's 70 degrees, so it's not like, but the leaves, man, are everywhere.